Hi August, it's Grandma Teresa and I'm ready to read you a story. So let's go. The Little Excavator. Have you ever seen a vehicle with a bucket on the front like that, August? It's called an excavator, and this one's the little one, little excavator. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Where is he? Is that him? Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Whew, look at those walls coming down. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. What happened? Gram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E lifting up some junk, junk, junk. Oops, I'm going to start that one over. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. How's he doing? Woo. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Oh. Droom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging up the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday, when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now, one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. And everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. They can't get over. He's smiling. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end.